Wildfires force evacuations in the Carolinas. Multiple wildfires in the Carolinas have triggered urgent evacuation orders for safety. In Polk County, North Carolina, a fire has scorched over 400 acres and remains uncontrolled. Authorities are assessing risk structures as the fire continues to threaten nearby homes. South Carolina has issued a burn ban to prevent further fire outbreaks in the region. Officials are monitoring the situation closely, with damage assessments planned for Sunday morning. Stay updated on this ongoing situation. Subscribe for more news.